Hey guys, this is Rob with Lukat Detail again, and look at this hood. It's a Cadillac hood, and this one was definitely in somebody's backyard. When I was a kid, we had a goat. Okay, it wasn't mine, but it was a family member. But they're fun, but they like jumping on things. And this is what. Look at that. I mean, wow. So goats, they like to jump on cars, and these are all hoof marks. And this looks really, really bad. But I happen to know most of this is superficial. Okay? Now, we got a product. We got a product that we can use to fix this. Okay? If you watched our videos, this is called the Lukat Fix It Color and Gloss Restore Polish. It's not a wax. This is a paint cleaner for paint correction. This has nothing to do with waxing. This has to do, you want to use this on a paint job that you have problems with. It's oxidized, it's hazy, it looks ugly like this, or you got an old oxidized patina on an old paint job. This is the stuff you're going to want to use. Now, it's a two-step process. First, you want to clean it, and then you want to seal it. Now, these are not detail products. These are for paint restoration. We're going to restore this paint job. It won't be perfect, but it's going to look like 95% better. And you'll see for yourself. We'll do that demo right now. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to focus on this area right here. Okay, and I'm going to do like a close-up so you guys can see that. Okay, bring this back a little. Yeah. Okay, so like I was saying, most of this is superficial. Okay, so I always recommend that you use a terry cloth towel, okay, and a microfiber towel for removal. But for the application, you want to use the terry cloth towel, okay? So first, what I want to do is I want to use the Lukat Fix It. This is real easy to use, okay? I'm going to get the towel. Now, I like folding up my towel into squares like this because you can get a lot of uses out of it. So I'm gonna, oh man, I'm such a genius. Anyways, I'm gonna put this on. Now when you do this, do not do circles. There's no wax in this product. It tells you right there, it's not a wax, it's a cleaner. So what I wanna do is I wanna clean, not wax. So I'm gonna go back and forth. When you wax, you do circles because you're masking the paint. You're putting a coat of wax on. But in this case, you're gonna polish the same area because it's gonna polish out the surface back to a smooth and shiny state. Look at that. Okay. So if you guys have one of those kinds of paint jobs that is that's hazy on the hood, roof, and trunk, use this, and it'll make it shiny again. Not because I put a shine on it, but because it's clean. Now, I don't know if it's popping up on the camera. I'm gonna just spot a little bit bigger. And okay, now when you're working on clear coats, you're not gonna see color coming off, because you're working on the actual clear glossy coat that's on top of the paint job. Okay? Now you polish back and forth. Don't do circles. This you polish until it's perfectly clean again. Smooth and shiny again over the same area. So this area is nice. It's done. I don't know if you can see it on the camera right now. But the most important thing when you use this, it's not wax. Listen to this. There's no wax here because this is a cleaner only. Now, you do want something to protect the paint. This is excellent stuff. It's called Lukat Easy Sealer Wax. Okay, you put this on, and this stuff is really good. You put it on, and you work it into the paint. Sometimes when you do this, it just seems like the wax gets sucked in. I mean, like it gets soaked up in there. But that's a good sign because, I mean, the wax is designed to seal the paint. This is sealer wax. Wow. Wow, it's just like soaking it up. Okay, so now I'll leave it like that. It's best to let this cure for a few minutes. And so for best results, let it dry for about 10-15 minutes and take it off. So right now, I'm just doing it because I'm showing you guys, but look at this. I'll do a close-up right now so you guys can see the difference. Okay, so can you guys see that? So again, like I was saying, most of this right here is superficial. Most of this. Okay, so if you got like light scratches, like from your fingernails, you put something on your car and it slid off. Look how beautiful that came out. Wow. Okay, so this is not a wax, it's cleaner. You use this to clean your paint. If your paint job is hazing up on the hood, roof, and trunk, side doors and fenders look good, or you got problems, you know those parking posts that hit us and leave that paint transfer on the side, you can use this to take it off. Now this is a sealer wax. You want to use them both together because they're designed to work together. So, but look how beautiful that came out. When I get real close, now here's some scratches. If you look really close, I'm trying to get this, see, there's a scratch right there. Okay, here's a scratch, but most of it is gone. Most of it is gone. Okay, so you can take a hood panel that looks like this, you polish it out. Elbow grease required, but there it is. Now you can do it by machine, but it's not wax. This isn't wax. You just clean it in sections. But it's very easy to do. It's not hard to do. And it's permanent. So it's not like I put a shine over this ugly stuff. I cleaned it. It's fixed. Look at that. Okay. So again, these right here, most of this is superficial. Superficial light scratches you can polish out with the Lukat Fix It. Make sure you wax the seal with the sealer. Now this can be waxed now. You can't wax something like this because it's not smooth, it's not shiny, it's dirty, it's contaminated, and you got all the light scratches. But after you use this, you can make the surface smooth and shiny again, and this seals and protects the shine. Okay, now these clear coats, if you don't take care of them, they'll become brittle, like right here. See that? See, this is starting to, look at that, look at that. See that? See how it's coming off? And you don't want that. If that's starting to happen, you need to clean the paint and seal it. You don't want to wax it because you fixed the problem. That's why we call it Lukat Fix It Color and Gloss Restore Kit. Make sure you use the Easy Wax. Now this can be waxed. Okay, guys, you guys got questions? Call us. Check us out, and please like and subscribe. Later.